This? Yeah.
It spun around it like it backed out and it spun
Snapped
around
off.
and caught the
Yeah.
spring arm.
Could have, yeah.
It definitely could have.
Well, now you can put a big sprocket on it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
The sprocket is big as the back wheel. Freaking all 5 years ago.
No problem going up these hills. Going up these hills in 4th gear.
I'm thinking if I follow you long enough, Phil, I'll be able to pick up some parts for my bike. Slam! Oh, that hurt. That hurt.
Are you guys like completely compatible from the 80s?
No.
No. There's just the name. And the power. Actually, his has got more power than mine does. That's when they didn't realize that people couldn't ride that bike. When they started it? And they had to detune it.
Yeah.
Some others loose?
Yep.
Oh my God, I guess I'm glad I noticed that.
Yeah.
That would have been disastrous.
There's something coming. Are they on this trail? Sounds like it.
It's Sasquatch.
Oh, you're going towards me. As long as we can make a, if there's cycles, we can just make a little thin path. Oh, it's quads.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe go out.
Listening to all this